Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a domain to Cloudflare and how you can connect it to your Cloudflare account. So first of all, simply come here on cloudflare.com. Afterwards, you just have to log in into your account if you haven't already. Now over here on the dashboard, you just have to click on the option of domains and click on the option of overview. Over here, you will be landed here on this particular page where click on the option of add domain, then select the option of connect a domain. Now if you have a domain available from any other domain providing websites like from GoDaddy or from Namecheap or Hostinger, then you need to select the option of connect a domain. But if you want to buy a domain and you want to add it automatically on the Cloudflare, then you can also go with the option that says add a domain. I'm assuming that you already have a domain, so simply click on the option of connect a domain. So over here you just have to simply enter your root domain. For example, let's say I'm going to enter ratewiser.com. Then you just have to simply hit enter or click on the option of continue here in the bottom. Now this way it is going to basically show you all of the steps that you need to take in order to update your name server to activate Cloudflare. Like you need to log in into your DNS provider, whether it is GoDaddy or Namecheap. Afterwards, you just have to replace your current name server inside those websites with the Cloudflare name servers, which are these name servers that you can copy from here, then paste on your website, and then you can save the changes on that. After waiting for some time, you just have to simply wait for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Then click on the option of I updated my name servers. Then this way you will be able to add your domain in Cloudflare. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.